Welcome to Mug Meditations Series 1. I'm Michele Welch, and I'll be your guide for today. These meditations are designed to help you downregulate stress and open you up to more clarity and calm. Can be done standing or seated or even lying down if you're able. You can even do it at work or at home. And so let's get started. A wonderful practice to use when you're overwhelmed with stress is to place your awareness on your feet. It's a grounding practice that helps engage your parasympathetic nervous system that's responsible for calming the mind and body. And you can try to find ways to remind yourself to do this throughout the day, whether it's whenever you have a coffee break, or maybe if you place sticky notes around your space to remind you to do this. Or maybe whenever you're on the phone, you can put your awareness on your feet. So first ask yourself the question, where are my feet? And that brings your awareness right down to where they are, where they're touching the ground, how they're resting. Is your weight on your toes or your heels? Or is it even throughout? Can you scan your foot? Feel your toes on each foot, where they're placed. The balls of the foot. Your arch. Your heel. And now bring your awareness to the top of your foot. Now take a few breaths in and out. Beautiful, balanced inhale and exhale as you pay attention to where your feet are. And allow your mind and body to settle a little. And think of letting your feet relax. Continue to breathe in and out, sending a little love and thanks to your feet that carry you all day. And now continue with your day and be ready for your reminders to pop up. And each time, return to this brief practice of relaxing into the grounding sensations of your feet. And use this to reset your nervous system by calming the mind and body. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a beautiful day.